What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment, and in this video let's talk a little bit here about the different door options you're going to have on your John Deere Gators. Now, there are going to be a few models of Gators that are not going to be suitable for doors, such things as the TS 4x2, the TX 4x2, more of those work style Gators that aren't going to have a ROPS or a cab on them. So what I'm talking about are going to be the machines that have either the cab like the one you see here, or a rollover protection system like the one here. Now, all of these models of Gators are going to have door options, and the thing is, there are going to be 3 different options whenever we're looking at these doors. Now, what's going to come standard on all of these machines that have that rollover protection system are going to be the net doors like you see here. These are going to be a simple door design, mainly to act as a barrier between you and falling out of the machine. They're going to have just a seatbelt clasp there. It's going to be a strong net material meant to hold the operator into the machine, but in the end this is still going to allow debris and dust and things to get through it. So there are going to be a couple other options. Now, your second option is going to be a half door option. That's going to be an option that does come up just like it says, halfway up that operator station or cab, and then have a complete open section here at the top. Here's going to be an example of one on a 4-seater machine that you can see, so you have an idea of what these would look like on either set of your machines. Now, what I have here today, for example, is going to be the 835M Honor Edition. Now, once you see this machine in this video, if you want to see more about just this machine, I have a complete review of it that I'll drop down in the description below, so you can check that out. But this is going to be a cab machine, so as you can see, we have the full door on this machine with the color panel. Now, whenever you are looking at these 800 series Gators, if you get a cab machine, you are still going to have different color options. You're going to have the John Deere green and yellow, the olive and black, and also the camo. On all of these, no matter which style you get, including this Honor Edition, if you get these doors, this color panel is interchangeable depending on the color of your Gator. So you're not just going to get a plain Jane door that's all black, you will get that color panel that matches your door. Now, whenever we move to the half doors on these machines, these are all going to be just a solid black door, so you will not have any color pattern to match on those. Now, when we take a little bit closer look at this door, it's going to be an automotive style door, so you are going to have such things as the cup holder down at the bottom. You are going to have that roll down window right there, that mechanical roll down, and then you are going to have your latch and handle. Now, once we get down into the 500 series Gators like the one here, your door is not going to be near as fancy whenever you get into that full door. It's going to have a little bit more of an open feel to it, not as much as a finished or polished look as this door does, but you're still going to get that full door for a full retention. Now, there is a misconception on these 500 series Gators that you cannot do a full enclosure, and that is not correct. Like I said, you can get the full door on these machines, put a windshield on and a rear panel to give you that full cab enclosure. Now, the more popular option a lot of times on these machines is to go with that half door that is going to be more solid than your net, because as you see here, these are going to be adjustable where we can pull back on these rear straps and make this net a little bit tighter. But at the end of the day, this is still just a net that's not going to allow that hard protection. And I can tell you from experience on a video that I have pulled on these hard enough to be able to pull that loose from the actual clamp. So if you're looking for a little more solid protection on your machine, if you're going to be riding in rough terrain, bumpy terrain, you're going to have kiddos with you, things like that, you can go with the half or full doors on this machine. So guys, I hope this cleared up any confusion you may have had about your John Deere Gators and the different door options that they have. Hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.